Hey everyone, do you want to speak in English? And do you find it quite difficult? Do you think it is quite challenging for you? So let me tell you, I am Rasmi and I am here for you to help you how to communicate in English, how to convey your thoughts in English, how to express yourself in English. Welcome all of you into this spoken English, and I am going to tell you that how to scratch or how to start from the zero. Those who have no more idea about the English language, those who have never studied English language, means yes, they have learned in school as a subject, but if you have studied and just you are holding it in your mind and you are not using it, then there is no more value of learning that or learning that subject or that is language. So the thing that you have to do that you must start from the small sentences. Yes. Today I am going to talk about that simple English. You start from the simple. Simple English is enough. No need to take it on the advanced level. You start from the zero. You start from the zero, yes. Try to make a small sentences like ये मैं हूँ, it's me. ये आप हैं, it's you. वे हैं, they are. हम लोग हैं, we are. So it's quite easy to make a small sentences. हम लोग बेडरूम में हैं, वी आर इन द बेडरूम. हम लोग लिविंग रूम में हैं, वी आर इन द लिविंग रूम. वे स्कूल में हैं, दे आर इन द स्कूल. वे मंदिर में हैं, दे आर इन द टेम्पल. हम लोग कहाँ हैं, वेयर वी आर. हम लोग इसी दुनिया में हैं, वी आर इन दिस वर्ल्ड. मैं किचन में हूँ, आई एम इन द किचन. मैं काम कर रही हूँ, आई एम वर्किंग. और मैं खाना बना रही हूँ, आई एम कुकिंग. मैं झाड़ू दे रही हूँ, आई एम स्वीपिंग. मैं फर्श पर झाड़ू दे रही हूँ, आई एम स्वीपिंग ऑन द फ्लोर. मैं पोछा लगा रही हूँ, आई एम मॉपिंग द फ्लोर. Like this you have to make a small sentences. You start from your household chores, like whatever the work you are doing at home, you just try to communicate yourself, try to think or try to talk to yourself that how you are doing that work, whether you are caring for your baby or whether you are talking with your partner or anything you are doing. You just try to think in English what you have to do. So that's why I'm telling you, just try to focus on the simple English. It will be easy for you to convey your thoughts. You may ask like, yesterday night I could not sleep well. मैं नहीं सो पाई, मुझे वहाँ जाना चाहिए. I should go there. तुम्हें यह नहीं करना चाहिए. You should not do that work. आपको मुझसे पूछना चाहिए था. You should have asked me. मैं आपसे क्यों पूछूं? Why I should ask you? So that's why, have you seen, it's quite easy. It's all depend on your willingness, how you are willing to speak. If you are willing to do it, it will be easy. If you are not willing to do, it will be quite difficult. Don't hesitate to make mistake. If you will make mistake, some other people, they will correct you. If they are not correcting you day by day, it will be easy for you to take your speaking skill to the next level. It doesn't matter how you are speaking. That matter is that you are speaking. That is the matter. Yes, speaking comes from speaking. If you want to learn a new language, so it will come from listening. And the second and the most important thing, that it will comes from the speaking. If you are not speaking, if you are listening only, and you are holding all the stuff in your mind, then it won't work. Only one thing work, that you will have to speak. You will have to speak. The words will come out from your mouth, and it will come when you will do practice. That's why I'm telling you, the more you will practice, the more you will be fluent in English. So the secret of fluency is hidden in the speaking. You will have to speak everything. For example, you may say, I'm folding the blanket, I'm dusting the fan, I'm dusting the mirror, I'm chopping the onion. Everything you have to think. I'm writing some document, I'm taking care of my baby, I'm feeding my baby, I'm just asking her where she is, where she has taken all such stuffs. Everything you have to think. You ask your baby, miss, if you have a child, I'm just telling because I have a child, so I used to ask her where you are going, how you used to keep your food, set your bed, make your bed, set your hair, everything, whatever you have spread it all over, you just keep it to your place. Everything that you are saying your child. In this way, it will be easy for your child even, that they will communicate in English. If you will talk to them in English, automatically they will try to grab your thought. What did you say, Mama? What is this? What is the meaning of this? They will ask you. Yes, I have taught her in such manner, like I used to tell her everything, whatever she is getting all around the means, all around in the room, you may say, where she is. Means if I am taking her on the room, I used to tell her everything from top, like this is sky, stars, everything that is she getting on the terrace. When I am in the room, I used to tell her, see, that is your book, where you have kept your book, where is your pencils, where your eraser, where you have kept all such things. Why you are not studying? Everything I used to tell her. What is this? This is bedsheet, this is quilt, this is blanket, this is window, shut the window. Means everything, just make a small sentences. Why you are wasting your time? Don't turn here and there. Just play with your dolls, just play with your books and try to grab the words. It's quite easy. I have just given you the example. हम लोग मंदिर में, we are in the temple, they are in the garden, they are on the road, they are on their work, they are in their journey, they are traveling. It's quite easy. It's very easy, I'm telling you. It's nothing. If you are thinking that's quite challenging to speak, so let me tell you, you start from the household chores. It's quite easy if you will start. Those you are getting in your surrounding, just try to communicate in English. It's better for you. Food is getting cold, the tea is getting cold. Why you are not eating properly? Everything you just try. Pair your nails, set your hair, do brush, eat properly. Everything you just try to communicate in English. Try to grab the word. Only one thing that is you needed, that you need to work on the sentence framing, and it will come automatically when you will start speaking. Yes, that's why I'm telling you, speaking comes from the speaking. Yes, you will have to speak. Anyhow, you will have to speak. Smallest person try to speak in. If you are not knowing that word, just try to go on the Google, just try to search there what is the meaning of that word, and thereafter try to use it in your daily routine. So this is the quite easy process to learn a new language. It's very easy. All the time you are listening and you are not using it, then nothing is going to happen if you want to start speaking. So you will have to speak yourself. All thing that is needed, that is your willpower, how you are willing to do it. If you are determined that yes, I have to speak in English, so I am telling you, even in 7 days, you will be fluent in English. It's all depend on your willingness. It's all depend on your determination, how you are passionate about your language, how you are passionate about your skill, how you are passionate about your aim, how you are passionate about your goal. What is your goal? What is your purpose to learn this language? What is the purpose behind this language? Why I am learning it? What is the purpose that is running in my mind? Why I need to learn it? मुझे सीखना पड़ता है. I have to learn it. मुझे सीखना, I have to learn. मैं पढ़ती हूँ, I read. मैं पढ़ती तो हूँ, I do read. मैं पढ़ती तो है ही. I do nothing but read. It means it's quite easy. So start speaking, and please write all such comment that if you like my video, and if you wish that I should teach you all such things, so please you may write many more comment. Thanks for watching.